Today, I'm giving you a strategy built on one thing that truly moves price: supply and demand. It's where the big money is forced to leave its footprints. And I'm going to hand you a tool that finds these footprints for you automatically. So lock in. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's crypto, forex, or stocks. Price moves for one reason: big piles of buy and sell orders. That's supply and demand. A supply zone is a wall of sellers. Price hits it, it tends to drop. The demand zone is a floor of buyers. Price hits it, it tends to bounce. Simple. The problem? Drawing these lines yourself is a total crapshoot. You get it wrong, you lose money. That's where this comes in. This is the Flowchart's MTF supply and demand indicator. It automatically finds the institutional zones for you. No more guessing. It prints the walls and floors right on your chart. By default, it's looking for retests. See this. Price comes down, taps the demand zone it found, and prints a retest signal. A classic buy. Up here, it finds a supply zone, price hits it, bam, a retest signal to sell. This is a solid strategy, but we're not here to be solid. We're here for the kill shot. Here's the twist. This is the part that makes all the difference. We're going to completely ignore the retest signals. We're not playing the bounce. We're hunting for breaks. This is fast. Go to the indicator settings, find the detection method. Change this to momentum. We're telling the indicator, I only want zones that were created by a powerful, aggressive move. No weak choppy price action. Next, sensitivity. Crank this down to low. We don't want our chart littered with hundreds tiny and significant zones. We want the big ones, the obvious ones. That levels that even the big institutions can hide. Quality, not quantity. Then, momentum zones length. Set this to 14. This is another filter to ensure the zones have some historical significance. We're filtering out the noise. We want the powerful, high-quality zones only. Now, the most important part. Uncheck retest and check breaks. Done. You just turned this thing into a breakout hunting machine. So, what does this look like? Here's that supply zone again. We don't short it. We wait. We watch. And then boom. Price smashes through it. The moment a candle closes above, the indicator prints the break signal. That's our entry. Now this is already a powerful strategy, but to make it almost bulletproof, we add one final layer, a trend filter. We need to know which way the big money is flowing. Go back to the indicators. Search for Rapster EMA clouds and add it to your chart. It's going to look messy. Go into the Rapster settings and only enable the EMA 5 cloud. Then change the EMA 5 lengths to 200 and 600. That's it. This giant cloud is now our North Star. If it's green and price above it, we're only looking for buy trades. If it's red and price is below it, we're only looking for sell trades. This one filter will save you from 1,000 bad decisions, and now the system is complete. So here are the rules of engagement. They're not suggestions. For buy trades, non-negotiable. First, the trend. The EMA cloud must be green and price must be above it. If not, you do nothing. You sit on your hands. Second, the setup. In that uptrend, the Flowchart's indicator needs to draw a supply zone. We want to see the buyers prove their strength by breaking through the seller's wall. Third, the trigger. Price closes a candle above the supply zone. The break signal prints on the chart. That's your entry. You get in. No hesitation. for a stop loss, place it under the recent swing low. For the take profit, aim for a clean 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Don't get greedy, bank the win. And for sell trades, it's the exact opposite. Don't overthink it. The cloud is red, price below it, you wait for a demand zone to get smashed. Price closes below it, the break signal prints, you enter the short, stop loss above the recent swing high, and take profit 1.5 hour. You got it. This is the entire blueprint, a complete trading plan from A to Z. So how do you get the engine for this strategy, the flock charts indicator? It's easy. To get the flock charts MTF supply and demand zones indicator, click the very first link in the description or the pinned comment right below this video. It takes less than 2 minutes to install on your TradingView, and you can have it running on your charts today. Listen, you now have the plan, you have the rules, and you have the tools. Your only job is to execute.